Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We got a Norfolk Southern train coming. Let's check it out, roll it. This time I got this in the camcorder version this time. I didn't get the NS last time on regular, on the camcorder, just live. There you go. That phone can stay on that windowsill until this train ends. Oh, that's a short one. Looks like it's Norfolk Southern 14 or 15M. Oh yeah, that's a short one. That's a short one. Symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern. Symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern. 15M. The 15M originates to Conway, Pennsylvania, heads east to
I think there's another train.
Heads east to Buffalo, New York is where it terminates. Oh, on this Friday, July 19th, 2024, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Ann said there's another train.
Sounded like it. It sounded like there was two horns going.
I don't want to shut the camcorder version off without see if I heard another horn. Looks like there's another. I think looks like there's another train. Yeah, it looks like there is another train. I don't think so. I don't see it. I haven't heard anything right now. But that's going to be it for this camcorder version. We'll be back on with another train if there is one. If not, we'll talk to you guys later.